Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're a fan of Last Z survival shooter. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I was able to get an absolutely insane amount of diamonds in the game, and yes, it really works. Take a look at my phone right now. You can clearly see I've got a huge stash of diamonds. It's not a glitch or a one-time reward. This is a working method that I personally tested and used, and it's completely legit. The best part? I'm going to show you every single step so you can do it too. So if you've been struggling to collect enough diamonds to unlock your favorite weapons, characters, or upgrades in the game, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Trust me, by the time you finish watching this video and follow the steps, you'll be loaded with diamonds just like I am right now. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a crazy website where you can find many apps and games. Once you are on the website, search for Last Z and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.